Now we'll see how to multiply the numbers which are nearer to the base 1000. First, above the base. Suppose 1003 into 1004. This is plus 3 and this is plus 4. First of all, multiply the excess numbers. 3 4s are 12. But the right side, you tell me this time, how many digits should be there in my right side part of the answer? The base which we are taking is 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So my right side part of the answer should consist of how many digits? 3 digits. But there are only 2 digits. So what I need to do? Add a 0 before the number. Remember, you should not add 0 after the number. You have to add before the number so that the value should not change. Now it is 0 1 2. Now cross addition. Either of the ways you are going to get the same answer, that is 1007. So my answer is 1007,012. One more example. Suppose 1004 into 1056. I want to multiply. This is plus 4 and this is plus 56. Now what is 56 into 4? You need to multiply these two. So 224. 224 is on the right side part of the answer. That is 4 into 56. Are the same number of days? Yes. 3 digits are there? Yes, we got the 3 digits. So there is no problem with the right side part of the answer. Now cross addition. 104 plus 56, 1056 plus 4. Both are going to get the same answer. How much it is? 1060. So my answer is 1060,224. Now we will see in the same way the case 2, that is below the base. Below the base. Let us take the examples. 996 into 998. So this is minus 4 and this is minus 2. 4 2s are 8. Minus into minus anyway plus. But how many digits should be there? 3 digits. So add 2 more zeros before the number so that there is no problem with the right side part. Now what is the left side part? Do either of the ways. Cross subtraction. 996 minus 2 or 998 minus 4. Both will give the same answer. How much? 994. So 994008. Similarly, one more example. 998 into 964. This is minus 2 and this is minus 36. Multiply these two. So minus into minus plus, 36 2s are 72. But 072. Why? Because there should be 3 D's, should be 3 D's on the right side part. Okay. Now 998 minus 36 or 964 minus 2. Whichever you feel easy, do that one. Why? Because both are going to get the same answer. So how much? 962. So my answer is 962,072. One more example we will see. Suppose 994 into 932. This is minus 6 and this is 68. So 6 into 68. Both we need to multiply. How much? 360 plus 48, 408. So it is 408. So 932 minus 6 is how much? 926. So my answer is 926408. No problem with this one. One more example. 996 into say some 889. So this is minus 4 and this is minus 111. Triple 1. So multiply both the ways. Minus 2, so 444, no problem. So 889 minus 4, how much? 885. So not only you can do this one, we can also do this one. 996 minus 111 also, you are going to get the same 885. So my answer is 885,444. Like this you can calculate any two numbers which are below the base when you are taking the base as 1000. Now we will see one above the base as well as one below the base of 1000. Now the case one above and one below base. That means how to multiply two numbers which are one above the base and which are one below the base. Now let us take some 1004 into 986 I want to multiply. This is plus 4 and this is minus 14. Plus into minus anyway will give minus. 14 4s are 56, but it is 056. Okay, why? Because the right side part should consist of 3 digits. Now put a bar here. Cross addition or cross subtraction, both will give the same answer. 986 plus 4 is 990. Now what is the answer here? This time you tell me how to go for the next step, how to get the final answer. There is a minus here, so first of all left side part should be reduced by 1. Since there is a minus symbol, it will become 989. Now to get the right side part of the answer, apply all from 9 last from 10 to this 1, all from 9 last from 10 to this number to get the right side part. So it is 944. So my answer is 989944. One more example. Suppose let us take some 1037 into 9, let us take 983. So how much it is? Plus 37, and how much it is? Minus 17. Plus 37 minus 17. You need to multiply both. 17 into 37. How will you multiply? You can calculate in the mind. So 510 plus 119. 510 plus 119. How much will you get? It is 629. 629 minus 629 you are going to get. Anyhow, next cross addition or cross subtraction. 983 plus 37 or 1037 minus 17. So it is 1020. Yes or no? So 1020. How much you are going to get? Now we'll see one more example in this case. That is 983 into 1037. So it is minus 17. Here it is plus 37. First of all, you need to multiply these two. So 17 into 37, you should be able to calculate in the mind. So 17 3s are 51, take it as 510. Now 17 7s are 119. So 510 plus 119. 510 plus 119 is how much? 629. So write down here minus 629. Now put a bar here. So 1037 minus 17 or 983 plus 37, both will get the same answer. How much? It is 1020. How to balance this one? Since there is a negative one, negative in the balance, the left side part should be reduced by 1, and the right side part you have to apply all from 9 last from 10. How much will you get? 371. So my answer is 1019371. Like this you can calculate, okay, the numbers which are closer to base 1000, even one above the base or one below the base, both the numbers above the base or both the numbers below the base. Okay, now we will see randomly some examples, either the base 1000 or base 100 or base 10,000, base 1 lakh, whatever it may be. Now let us see some random examples so that you can understand the concept very clearly. Let us take some examples. Say 9998 into 9993. It is minus 2, it is minus 3. Now you just tell me the answer simply within a single line. So first of all, 2 7s are 14. How many zeros? Plus into minus anyway plus. So what is the base we are taking here? 10,000. How many zeros? 4 zeros, right? So 2 more zeros should be here, so that the right side part is having 4 digits. Now cross subtraction, anyway we'll give the same answer, 9991. This will be directly, you can write this much big numbers we are going to get within a single line. One more example, 99983 into 999 94. So how much it is? Minus 17 and it is minus 6. So 17 6s are how much? 102. Anyway, minus into minus plus, but it is 0102. Now how much? 99983 minus 6. So 999, how much? 77. So the answer is 999770102. Like this we can, within a single line, even the above the numbers above the base also, Let us take some 10004 into some 1000, say some 8. I want to multiply these two numbers. It is plus 4 and plus 8. Okay, now you tell me what will be the answer. 4 8s are 32, but the right side part should consist of how many digits? What is the base we are going to take here? 1 lakh. How many numbers? How many digits? How many zeros? 5 zeros. So the right side part should consist of 5 digits. Only 32 we got. So 3 zeros should be placed before. Now cross addition. How much you are going to get? 1 0 0 0. So sorry. How much it is? 1 0 0 0 1 2. This will be your answer. Okay. So like this, we can calculate such big numbers also, which are nearer to the base. Now we will see some more type of multiplications in our Vedic maths. Now we will see one more technique in our Vedic maths, which is helpful for the students who are not good at 12 to 19 tables. Suppose if you want to multiply any number or any given number with a number which is between from 12 to 19 tables, if you are not feeling comfort, for those kind of students, this technique will be very helpful. Now let us take one example. Suppose 5 3 4 6 into 12 I want to multiply. 5 3 4 6 into 12. Just ignore this one. Ignore this one. Now put that one here. Start multiplying with 2. Start multiplying with 2, but in a different manner. How? First multiply 2 6 are 12 as it is. So what is 2 6 are 12? Drop 2, carry 1 to the next number. Now what is 2 4s are? 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Now after adding the carry, we got 9. To that 9 add the right side digit, right side immediate digit. So 9 plus 6, how much? 15. So drop 1 here and carry 5 here. Now similarly 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7, to that 7 add immediately right digit. 7 plus 4 11. So drop 1 here and 1 here, right? Similarly 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus immediate right digit 3. 11 plus 3 14. So carry 1 here, drop 4 here. Now what is the last step of our answer is just drop the leftmost part of the or leftmost digit of the number as it is. Drop the leftmost digit of the number as it is. But before dropping, check whether is there any carry or not. Yes, there is a carry. If it is carry is there, add the carry and then drop it as it is. So 5 plus 1 6. So my answer is 6 4 1 5 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose if I want to multiply 3 4 2 3 4 into 12. Okay, this time we will take 13. Okay, since the 3 which is on the right side of 1, which is on the right side of the 1, okay, that's why we are going every time we are adding the right side digits immediately after multiplying the numbers and adding the carries. Remember once again, why I am going to multiply, why I am going to adding every time the right side digit means, since the main number, okay, which is on the right side of the 1, that's why we are multiplying every time the right side digit. Okay, now just drop this one 3 as it is. Now start multiplying with 3. What is 3 4s? 12. So simply carry 1, drop 2. You can ask me, sir, why don't you add the right side digit? Here there is no right side digit. That's why I am simply adding. That's why I am simply multiplying and putting the carry like that. There is no right side here, right? Right side digit. There is no right side digit. Now continue the next. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 carry 10. 10 plus right side digit. 10 plus 4 14. So carry 1, drop 4. Now what is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus right side digit 10. So 1 draw, 1 carry, 0 draw. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus right side digit 2, 15. Drop 5, carry 1. Now 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus right side digit. 10 plus 4, 14. So carry 1, drop 4. Now what is the last step? Even after multiplying with the last digit, what is the last step? Drop the leftmost digit as it is. Now I have to drop 3 as it is. But before dropping, check whether is there any carry? Yes, there is a carry. So carry is how much? 1. Add 3 to 1, 4. After adding the carry, now you drop. If there is no carry, you can drop the leftmost digit as it is. One more example. 7 2 3 4 into 18. I want to multiply for 7 2 3 4. Okay, let us take some 6 7 2 3 4 into 18. Now simply ignore 1. Start doing 8 4s. I am not writing any symbolics like this. I am going to write directly the answer by saying what is 8 4s are 32. Drop 2, carry 3. Now what is the next step? 8 3s are 24 plus 3, 27. Immediately right side digit. 27 plus 4, 31. So drop 1, carry 3. Now what is 8 2s are 16. 16 plus carry 3, 19. 19 plus right side digit 22. So drop 2, carry 2. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. 58 plus right side digit 60. So drop 0, carry 6. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6, 54. 54 plus right side digit 61. 61. So drop 1, carry 6. Now what is the last step? Simply drop 6 as it is. But before dropping 6, carry is there. How much? 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So right here 12. So the answer is 1 2 1 0 2 1 2. One more example. Let us take 3 0 2 0 1 into some 12. So leave 1. Now 2 1s are 2. No carry. 2 0s are 0. But right side digit you need to add. 2 0s are 0. Right side digit is how much? 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus right side digit 4 only. 2 0s are 0. 0 plus right side digit 2. Just drop 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus right side digit. Just drop 6 as it is. Now what is the last step? Drop the leftmost digit as it is. But before dropping, is there any carry? No, this time there is no carry. So simply drop 3 as it is. This will be your answer. Got it? One more example. Let us take some 7 8 9 6 7 into 19. 7 8 9 6 7 into 19. This time we will do little fast. Okay, please just concentrate. Leave the 1. 9 7s are 63. 9 6 are 54 plus 6 60. 60 plus right side digit 60 plus 7 67. Drop 6, carry 7. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 6 87. 87 plus right side digit 87 plus right side digit how much? 6 93. So 9 here, 3 here. Now 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 9. 72 plus 9 81. 81 plus right side digit. So once again 9 7s are 63. So 9 is a 72. 72 plus 9 81. 81 plus right side digit 9. 81 plus 9 90. So 9 here, 0 here. Now 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 9 72. 72 plus 8. 72 plus 8 80. So drop 0, carry 8. So what is the last step? Drop 7 as it is. Why? Because it is the leftmost digit. But before dropping, is there any carry? Yes. So what is 8 plus 7? 15. So my answer is 1500373. So like this we can calculate or we can multiply any given number into the numbers which are 12 to 19 or the multiplication tables from 12 to 19. No need of knowing the tables if you follow this method, and you can get the answer as easy as possible, right? So now we are going to see the one more technique in our Vedic maths, which is very easy technique. Okay, now we will see another part in the base method, that is sub-base method. Sub-base method. So how can you use this sub-base method? For example, let us take some 43 into say 47. I want to multiply 43 into 47. Now it is very important which one you are going to take that as base. Here I can do one thing. For these two numbers I can take two bases. One is 50, one is base 50 and base 40. I can take two bases. Okay, either of the base you can take, either you can take base 40 or base 50, it doesn't matter, you are going to get the same answers. Now let us try with both the bases first. Now I will try first with 40 as base 40. Okay, if I take base 40, so it is 3 more than the base and it is 7 more than the base. Yes or no? Now see here, first you need to multiply these two. 3 7s are 21, but I am going to put 1 here and 2 will be the carry. Why? Because in 40 base there is only 1 0, so the right side part should consist of only 1 digit and the remaining will be carried to the next part of the answer. Now cross addition or cross multiplication, cross addition or cross subtraction. Here there is place in both the numbers, so it is cross addition only. 43 plus 7 or 47 plus 3, both are same. How much? 50. Yes or no? Now for 50, what you need to do for this 50, you need to multiply the number, okay, which is in the tens place of the base, which is in the tens place of the base. So what is the number which is in the tens place of the base? Okay, 4. So this is the multiplication factor. This is the multiplying factor. So 4 is the multiplying factor. Now what you need to do? What is 4 into 50? 200. Yes or no? 200. Okay, 1 here, 2 will be the carry. Now what is 200 plus 2? 202 and 1 as it is. So your answer is 202, 1. One more example. Okay, the same thing we will go with the base 50 this time. If I take base as 50 for 43 into 47, it is minus 7 and it is minus 3. So anyway, minus into minus plus, 7 into 3, 21. But 1 will be the dropping and 2 will be the carried. Now either 43 minus 3 or 47 minus 7. Both are same. How much? 40. Yes, 40. But for that 40, here what is the multiplication factor? See, here we are taking base as 50, remember. Okay, so the multiplying factor will be in the tens place. That is 40 should be multiplied by 5. 40 into 5 is 200. 1 and 2 carried. So 200 plus 2 is 202 and 1 as it is. So my answer is 2021. If you observe, in both the ways the answer will be same. That means you can multiply two numbers which are very near to each other, okay, with the help of this method. For example, we will take one more example here. Let us take some 87 into 89. Now I can take the base as 9. Yes, they are closer to 90, so I can take the base as 90. So it is minus 3, it is minus 1. 3 into 1, 3, no problem. 87 minus 1 or 89 minus 3, both are same. How much? 86. But for that 86, we need to multiply with the multiplication factor 9. Okay, so 80, how much it is? 86. 86 into 9 we need to multiply. So 3 will be dropped as it is. 86 into 9 is how much? 720 plus 54. 774. So answer is 7743. So like this we can calculate, okay, the numbers which are very nearer to each other. You may think, why can't we take 80 base here? Of course, here we are taking the base as 50. Sorry, base as 90, we can take base as 80 also. If it is 80, we are going to write plus 7 and plus 9. Like that we can go, right? So, like this you can calculate the two numbers which are very near to the base, okay, with the help of sub base. This is what? Sub base method. This is sub base. Actually, this is not the main base. Main base will be in the form of 10 power n, as we already discussed. But sub base will be, can it be any number. Better to take it as 40, 50 like that. Okay, so like this we can calculate two numbers which are nearer to each other. Okay, we can take not only double digit, even we can go extend this method to the triple digit, 4 digit also. Okay, fine. Now we will see one more type of multiplications. Okay, how we can easily calculate up to 100 or 1000 tables in the mind. Okay, in the next day technique.